No tornadoes today, Donald. It's alright. I get a lightning show.
Whoa, lightning happening to our west.
Yeah.
Absolute incredible lightning.
Ain't it just?
Storm chasers.
Yeah. Broken down by the looks.
Blind out here. Donald says hi.
Hi!
Hi.
They said hi. This is the last day for him here.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. They'll be back.
We'll be back in style.
We may have busted on a tornado potential, but we're definitely not busting on a lightning show.
No, definitely not.
For sure. And I can take this. Hey Jesse Post, I hope you're watching this.
Hello!
If you're on Facebook. Hope everyone's having a great evening. I know I am right now. Lightning is busting loose.
Woo!
I know, sis, I wish you were here too. We'll be home pretty soon.
It's a lightning fest.
Woo! Boy, you ain't kidding. Well, lightning's everywhere. Oh, yes.
Oh yes.
I felt that thing.
Yeah. Ting tong tong ting. No disrespect to anyone who heard that.
Alright, fellas, I'm getting off the stream so I can check my videos out. The lightning fest continues. I hope you don't get hit.
There's 4 people on our face on our.
By the wall cloud.
There was, but it died off.
No, it's there.
Is it? Oh yeah, so it is. It's a weak one, but it's there.
I gotta do this. There's a wall cloud to our northwest.
Yeah, I heard that, yeah. Hey.
We got cows.
Lightning is all around us, guys. We're making... Hang on a sec.
Is that a funnel?
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Where?
There's a funnel on the ground over there. See?
Whoa, is it?
Yeah, that's about to touch down.
Whoa.
We might actually have our first tornado. Late night one night, but check the radar.
Yeah.
If red and green are doing you know what. Then it looks like our luck might be confirmed. Yeah, red and green.
Oh, look.
Nice. It's coming right towards us. And we were in Hancock a minute ago as well. Or an hour ago.
Yeah, but we wanted to chase.
Oh, if we'd have stayed in Morris as well.